For Dolphin, begin in a kneeling pose and bring your elbows in front of your knees, in line with your knees, and clasp your hands together, pushing the forearms into the mat. Take a few breaths, and then when you are ready, tuck your toes under and lift up your hips. Take the feet back a little if needed, keeping the head low. You can also walk the feet back and come into plank, and then walk the feet back into dolphin. This pose is good for building strength in the arms and shoulders, as well as the core muscles, while also stretching out your shoulders and hamstrings. To release, bring the knees down and come into child's pose. For seal pose, start by lying on your front with your elbows underneath shoulders and your forearms parallel to each other. Looking ahead, draw the muscles of your lower belly inwards to protect your lower back. Then rotate your wrists externally so that the fingers are pointing outwards. Continue to engage your abdominal muscles as you push into the hands and lift the forearms off the floor. If comfortable, take a few breaths here. You can bend the knees for a further extension if you wish, or just keep the legs straight. Seal pose is an extension of Cobra and Sphinx, as it's a more intense back bend and chest opener. It also helps to strengthen the arms and is sometimes practiced as part of yin yoga. When you are ready, slowly bring yourself back down onto the ground. For crocodile pose, allow yourself to lie on the mat on your front, with your legs extended and feet spread wider than your hips. Bring the hands in front of you and place one on top of the other, and then gently lower your forehead onto your hands. This pose allows you to breathe deeply into the back of the lungs. You can also use it to take time to scan your body to check whether you're holding any tension anywhere. You can stay here for a few breaths before you gently bring yourself back up into tabletop.